Well, hello everyone. My name is Dar Rath and I'm the pastor at Faith Lutheran Church. And each week I bring you a story that takes about 5 minutes to watch. And this week it is from a book called Interesting Stories for Curious People by Bill O'Neill. This is very interesting. It's called Animals That Don't Age. Since the dawn of history, the idea of immortality has intrigued humans, sometimes to the point of obsession. Myths from every corner of the globe and every period in history tell of gods and goddesses who live forever and human heroes who strive to possess that knowledge and ability. Today, many of the current major religions of the world offer the reward of eternal life for pious believers, which is a testament to man's will to overcome death. With the advent of modern science, some scientists began examining the biology behind aging. In the process, they have developed theories that claim to slow the effects of aging. There's no doubt that modern science has vastly prolonged human lives over the last 100 years. And as medical technology progresses even more, the average human lifespan will no doubt also increase. Some scientists believe that if medical science continues to progress at its current rate, over the next few decades, people will begin to regularly live to 100 and will even see the first person live to 150. But that isn't good enough for some people who want to live eternally or last indefinitely. No one at this point believes that humans can become indestructible. But some believe, based on examples from nature, that since science biology of aging can be massively retarded or even stopped. This may sound really strange, but a closer look reveals that there is some truth to this theory. The small freshwater class of organisms known as hydras are believed to be biologically immortal. Hydras have no brain, muscles, or vertebrae, and are therefore susceptible to death in a number of ways, but they have incredible regenerative abilities. The hydras regenerate abilities which allow it to recover quickly from injuries believed to be connected to the lack of aging. The immortal jellyfish is also believed to be another animal that doesn't age. In fact, the immortal jellyfish has the unique ability to retard its lifespan by returning to the polyp stage when it is faced with adverse conditions, such as starvation or extreme changes in temperature. Other animals that have displayed a negligible sentience include different species of tortoises, sharks, and rockfish, all of which are believed to have the ability to live 200 years or more. My goodness. What are the long-term implications for humanity? Scientists have been examining hydras and immortal jellyfish in order to determine if something can be taken from those animals to help slow the aging process in humans. At this point, taking action to extend life is still theoretical, but experiments may begin in the future where humans are injected with hydra cells. The time for experimentation is probably closer than you think. Isn't that fascinating? I find that really, really interesting that there are scientists who are actually looking at aging and then taking information from these animals or fish that live longer and try to figure out if there's something that can be done for humans. I thought that was a fascinating story that you might enjoy hearing about. So, blessings on your day, and thanks so much for taking 5.